Have you ever felt like you are ready to move forward, but something keeps pulling you back? Perhaps it's an old belief, an old fear, an old story about who you are or what you are capable of. Perhaps you've been doing this inner work, growing, healing, and evolving, yet you're still carrying emotional baggage that no longer belongs in your next chapter. If this resonates with you, then this full moon tapping is for you. The full moon is a powerful time of illumination, completion, and release. It represents the peak of the lunar cycle. A time when emotions, patterns, and truths often rise to the surface so they can finally be seen, acknowledged, and released. While the new moon is a time for planting seeds, the full moon is a time for clearing the weeds. It's an opportunity to let go of what no longer serves you so that your manifestations can grow with greater ease and alignment. Today we're going to use EFT tapping combined with Ho'oponopono to release limiting beliefs, old fears, emotional heaviness, and anything that no longer belongs in your future. We'll also take a moment to celebrate how far you've come, because healing isn't just about releasing, it's also about recognizing your growth. My intention for you through this Ho'oponopono tapping is to help you release with compassion, honor your progress, and create space for the next beautiful chapter of your life. I'm Mahesha Rice, an award-winning holistic therapist, healer, and a mindset coach, and I am so glad you are here. This is your space to release, reconnect, and rise into your truth. Before we begin, if my content has been helping you on your healing journey, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like and comment on this video so you don't miss any future healing sessions. It's also a beautiful free way for you to support my commitment to helping you and others heal while helping this content reach more people who may need it too. Now gently check in with yourself. On a scale from 0 to 10, how heavy, stuck, or emotionally burdened do you feel right now? 10 being very heavy and overwhelmed, and 0 being completely clear, peaceful, and free. Simply notice your number without any judgment, and we'll come back to it at the end of the session. Wonderful. Now, let's take a deep breath in and exhale with a sigh. Even though there are things I'm ready to release, I am sorry for what I've been carrying. Please forgive me for holding on to what no longer serves me. Thank you for everything these experiences have taught me. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And even though part of me feels afraid to let go, I'm sorry for the fears I've been holding. Please forgive me for believing I needed to keep carrying them. Thank you for helping me get to this point. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And even though some old stories are ready to end, I'm sorry for the pain they've caused. Please forgive me for believing those stories were my truth. Thank you for helping me grow through them. And I deeply and completely love, accept, and honor myself. Take a deep breath in and release with a sigh. Now we're going to go through the points. I'm sorry for the fears I've been carrying. I'm sorry for the limiting beliefs I've held on to. I'm sorry for the emotional weight I've been dragging forward. I'm sorry for the old stories I've repeated. I'm sorry for the doubts I've entertained. I'm sorry for the pain I've continued to carry. I'm sorry for the energy I've given to what no longer serves me. I am ready to acknowledge it now. Deep breath in. Please forgive me for holding on to what I'm ready to release. Please forgive me for believing I wasn't ready to let go. Please forgive me for the ways I've limited myself. Please forgive me for staying attached to old fears. Please forgive me for resisting change. Please forgive me for doubting my own growth. Please forgive me for forgetting how strong I am. Please forgive me for believing the past defined me. Deep breath in. Thank you for the lessons these experiences taught me. Thank you for the growth that came from them. Thank you for the wisdom I've gained. Thank you for helping me become who I am today. Thank you for every challenge I overcame. Thank you for the healing already taking place. Thank you for bringing me to this moment. Thank you for showing me how far I've come. Take a deep breath in and release with a sigh. I love the person I am becoming. I love my resilience. I love my courage. I love my willingness to grow. I love my healing journey. I love the wisdom I've gained. I love my ability to begin again. I love the future I'm creating. Deep breath in. I forgive myself for the mistakes I've made. I forgive myself for the fears I've carried. I forgive myself for staying stuck longer than I wanted. I forgive myself for doubting my worth. I forgive myself for believing limiting stories. I forgive myself for the times I played small. I forgive myself for judging my journey. I forgive myself completely. Another deep breath in. I'm sorry for the emotional weight I've been carrying. Please forgive me for holding onto it for so long. Thank you for the lessons it brought. I love the wisdom I've gained from it. I'm sorry for the fears and doubts I've been feeding. Please forgive me for believing they were protecting me. Thank you for helping me release them now. I love the freedom I am creating. Deep breath in. I'm sorry for the beliefs that told me I wasn't enough. Please forgive me for believing them. Thank you for helping me see my truth. I love the person I am becoming. I'm sorry for forgetting my own power. Please forgive me for doubting my path. Thank you for this opportunity to begin again. I love and welcome all that is meant for me. Take a deep breath in. Gently place one or both hands over your heart now. Close your eyes for a moment and repeat after me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I forgive myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I forgive myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I forgive myself. Take a deep breath in and exhale through your mouth. Now, keeping your eyes closed for a moment, just imagine the light of the full moon shining down upon you. Imagine that light gently dissolving anything you no longer need to carry. Old fears, old stories, old doubts, old limitations. See them leaving your energy now. And as that space opens, allow yourself to recognize how far you've come. Allow yourself to celebrate your growth. Allow yourself to honor the person you are becoming. Take a deep breath in and let go. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Now, beautiful soul, gently check in with yourself again. Where are you now on that same scale from 0 to 10? Remember, even a small shift matters. The full moon reminds us that release is not loss. Release is making space. Space for healing, space for peace, space for abundance, and space for manifestation. And today you've taken a beautiful step towards creating that space. And if you like ongoing support on your healing journey, you are warmly invited to join us inside Reiki Renewal Rising, my membership, where we come together each week for Ho'oponopono tapping, Reiki healing, meditation, breathwork, intention setting, emotional release, and nervous system regulation. It's safe and a supportive space where you do this kind of transformational work together on a regular basis. And remember, you can download my free ebook, A Guide to Overcoming Anxiety, Stress and Burnout. The link is in the description, in the pinned comments, and I will also share the links tagged above here. So, beautiful soul, until next time, I'm sending you so much love and light.